Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. I'm all excited and I'm all geared up is because we are at the BIEC Nama Bengaluru because it's Indiawood 2024, the largest expo in our country. Also parallelly, there's India Mattress Tech Expo which is happening. All excited, right? Yes, I am excited. I'm your host Pramod Kumar. We're going to go inside. We're going to talk to a lot of people. We're going to explore so many things. There's so many stalls set up as well. There's so many people around. You can see that, right? So let's go. Indiawood 2024 and India Mattress Expo 2024 BIEC. Let's go. Okay, we are here at hall number 4. We are going to visit L102 Woodtech Consultants, which is India's #1 woodworking machinery providers. So let's go inside and find out. So as we enter the hall number 4, the energy is electric and also the atmosphere is so buzzing because there are people not only from our country, across the globe. And at Woodtech Consultants, they have more than 50 machineries on display and covering around 1200 square meters. So we're going to talk to the team who works behind the scenes, and also we're going to test some machineries as well. Let's come. Okay, let's check out Rapid Drill 8128. From CNC routers to edge banders, every corner is buzzing with activity. Woodtech Consultants, India's largest woodworking machinery supplier, has truly outdone itself with their impressive showcase. Indeed, there's no shortage of innovation and inspiration. Did you know that Woodtech has their own seasoning chambers? One product which is creating buzz all over our country. Woodtech Consultants provides woodworking machinery solutions for all types of panel line, solid wood line and surface finishing lines. They have 13 partners in display today. Alright, I'm going to try this latest technology for curve edge banding machine, HC2D. Sir is with me. I hope he helps me. Sir. Superb, right? Superb, right? It just took 35 seconds to complete it. Okay, I'm joined by the regional manager, Mr. Mahesh. He's going to talk about his favorite machine. So let's hear from him. Welcome, sir.
We are thrilled to release our latest range of machines, which includes a 5-axis CNC router, CNC tenoner, CNC motorizer, and many more hyper productivity machines. Now this 5-axis CNC machine makes us possible to make the Italian design chair right here in India. So now you don't need to go to Italy to find an Italian design chair.
Sir, can I take the chair home? That's a wrap for our visit to Woodtech Consultants. It was a day filled with innovation, creativity and endless possibilities. Thank you so much for joining us. Until next time, your host Pramod Kumar, and happy woodworking.